بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
Rifa International University is a private university chartered by the Federal Government of Pakistan and recognized by HEC. The university was established with a view to producing professionals with Islamic moral and ethical values. It is sponsored by a not-for-profit trust, namely Islamic International Medical College Trust, which was established in 1995. The first project of IIMCT was the Islamic International Medical College, established in 1996 by its founding managing trustee, late Major General Muhammad Zulfikar Ali Khan. This trust was founded with a view to establish the state-of-art educational institutions with total commitments to Islamic values and to produce graduates who should not only be good educationists but also be very good Muslims, human beings, and good citizens. The university has campuses in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Malakand, and Rasul Khaimah, UAE. The university was established on the values of accountability, akhirah-oriented decisions, teamwork, consultation and harmony, compassion, and pursuit of excellence. Rifa is ranked second by HSC in private sector universities in general category and the first university of the country that has been certified under ISO 9001. Also recognized and accredited by Rifa offers over 100 plus degree programs for graduates, undergraduates, postgraduates, and doctoral programs. The university is spread across 5 campuses in the twin cities of Islamabad, Rawalpindi. Its main campus is in Sector I-14 Islamabad, Al-Mizan IIMCT Complex, Rawalpindi. City campus in Sector G74 Islamabad. City Campus 2 in Sector F5 Islamabad. Rifa Potohar Campus Islamabad. Al-Mizan campus is located at the main Peshawar Road, Rawalpindi, in the historic premises of Old Supreme Court building, where Islamic International Medical College, Rifa Institute of Media Sciences, and Faculty of Management Sciences are located. Here in Al-Mizan campus, MBBS programs contains an innovative tailored curriculum highly designed to meet the healthcare needs of Pakistan. It is recognized from Pakistan Medical and Dental Council and by many international medical certification bodies. The quality of their modules matches the best offered MBBS anywhere in the world. 4 years BBA program in Rifa University is initiated to provide students with knowledge, skills, and attitude that will help them to begin their career anywhere in the world and to ensure that they will have education to meet their goals and become leaders in their own field. Another degree being offered in Al-Mizan campus is Applied Psychology. The knowledge of psychological principles and scientific methods for evaluating theories and research in social sciences is needed in our rapidly changing society. Rifa Institute of Media Science believes in top quality education in the areas of production, direction, and journalism. They encourage their students to work ambitiously to produce quality work in the field of media. RIMS is offering various programs at undergraduate and graduate levels, including BS Honors in Media Studies, BS Mass Communication, MA Media Production, MA Broadcast Journalism, MS Media Studies. Rifa Institute of Media Science provide a technical expertise in practical and theoretical aspects of media production and journalism. Their curriculum not only integrates the practicality of media but also the ethical and legal prospects of media. The fusion of modern equipment and the modern practice of instruction provides students an opportunity and a way forward to become keen and devoted professionals in the field of media.
रिफा इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी और बिलखसूस रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज की सबसे खास बात यह है कि ये अपने स्टूडेंट्स को हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस देता है। और मीडिया एक इस किस्म की फील्ड है जिसमें थियोरेटिकल वर्क इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता बल्कि प्रैक्टिकल वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा होता है और प्रैक्टिकल वर्क के लिए ज़रूरी है कि आपको हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस दिया गया हो।
रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज में रहते हुए मैंने अपनी प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स पे बहुत काम किया और टीचर्स ने और इंस्टीट्यूट ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की कि मैं आज जो है इस इंस्टीट्यूट से जाने के बाद मैं इतनी काबिल हो चुकी हूँ कि मैं किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाऊँ तो वो मेरी स्किल्स को बहुत सराहते हैं। और इसमें रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज और रिफा इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी को बहुत क्रेडिट जाता है कि जब मैं यहाँ आई थी तब मुझे ये मालूम नहीं था कि मैं कहाँ पे स्टैंड करती हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं अगर अपनी एक पर्सनैलिटी अपनी एक पहचान लेके जा रही हूँ तो इसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ और सिर्फ रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज को जाता है।
If you are in search of any university which does not only focus on academic but Islamic ethical values, there is no better option than Rifa. Rifa International University has its own campus radio, Rifa FM 102.2. Rifa FM 102.2 not only brings educational, informational, and entertaining programming fair to the students and community, but also provides a platform to the students to build their communication and presentation skill in a professional working media environment. It provides them hands-on training in audio production, script writing, anchoring, and editing.
रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज की तरफ से FM 102.2 पर एज अ लाइव होस्ट काम किया। साइड बाय साइड डिफरेंट न्यूज़ चैनल्स में आप न्यूज़ पर, हम न्यूज़ पर और काफ़ी ऐसे चैनल्स पर मैंने काम किया जहाँ से मेरी प्रोफेशनल जो स्टडीज़ थी उसमें मैंने काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंसेस हासिल किए।
Information Services Department serves the information needs of the faculty and students community and offers quality services. The students have access to a rich and diverse collection of online articles, books, and journals. It is a place where knowledge has no limits. There is a separate sitting area for the male and female students. Rifa always offered its students with quality education and latest equipment. At the time of production, Dreams provides students with production gears and has its own studio for students to record their programs and practice professionally. Our teachers train us in such a way that numerous official seminars and conferences are covered and edited by students under the supervision of supervisors. A course like Applied Media has benefited many students with their skills. In that specific time period, students work as a production house and work on projects together as a team.
हमारा एक कोर्स है अप्लाइड मीडिया के नाम से जिसमें आज़म पाकिस्तान था और अब बाकायदा सैटेलाइट टीवी JK न्यूज़ है जो स्टूडेंट्स रन करते हैं. दिस इज वन अचीवमेंट दैट ओनली रिफा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया साइंसेज हैज इन दिस एंटायर कंट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान.
They take official interviews, work as news anchor, behind the camera, editor, graphic designing, content writing, social media management, and all the other tasks that they are good at. In the past, student has done outstanding work in Ramadan transmission of Capital TV, NLC and ISPR projects, and so many other projects. All this because of students are being taught practical work. A good teacher is the one who does not only focus on our academic performance, but our overall development, and that's what our teacher has been doing for years. Our core subjects like camera and framing, audio and video editing, media and social responsibility, advertising, digital media production, radio production, animation, Islamic and Quranic studies, drama production, film studies, and so many more subjects have really helped us in our academic course and future professional life. Rifa Institute of Media Sciences has a teacher which are highly qualified and experienced. Rifa is giving education and at the same time focusing on the actual reason that why we are in this world. The classrooms and auditoriums are fully furnished and equipped with audio-video aids for better modern learning environment. University is taking full safety measures for the COVID-19. There is separate place for male and female students to pray in university. The most appreciated thing about Rifa is they give break at the time of namaz so students and teachers can pray. All the staff members, including professors, teachers, coordinators, management staff, security crew, and caretakers have been generous to us. Rifa is more than just about getting a degree. They put purpose, positivity, well-being, religious values, and moral values at the epicenter of students' education.
Thank you, Rifa.
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 Thank you, Rifa. Thank you, Rifa.
Educate, enlighten, and empower.